Today, I will share the easiest way to create a feeder photo frame in Canva. Open Canva, click Create, choose a project size. I will choose Instagram post. Go to Elements and type Feeder, enter. On the graphic, choose the feeder that you like. I will choose this one. Rotate, increase the size. Because this is a Pro element, so we cannot directly download it. Either you choose the pre element or just duplicate and place the duplicate right on the origin, and then click share and download PNG, transparent background, and click download. Alright, now select these two elements and reduce the transparency to 0. So I need this white surface. I will download it as PNG, no transparent, and click download. Select them both and remove them. Change the background to other color. Upload the two elements that you just download, the white and also the feeder. Go to apps, type cut, enter. Choose image cutout maker. Scroll down, click image, select the feeder, click use selected image. Scroll up, increase the feeder size to fit the page, the white surface and then scroll down, remove all these two elements and click add to design. Increase the size to fit the page. Now you have the frame. And then upload your photo and place behind this frame. I will use this photo. Increase the size. Send behind the frame. You can adjust the position and the size. Now go to position, layers. Let's change the color of the background to the same color as the background of the photo. Click add new color and click this. Pick a color and click on this yellow. You can also add some element. Go to elements. I will add this flying red hearts. So we can give it as a gift of Valentine or just for couple photos. And then I will add this one also. And I will place it here. Alright, so now we have it. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and have fun with Canva.